Morning, chat. Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. Happy new week. Well, I think we have this new latency setting that we're using has next to no delay from me to the stream chat. So our conversations are going to be even better going forward. The delay is so small on stream now. Had a good weekend? Yes, I did. Mads, how are you? Did you have a good weekend? Did you guys have a great weekend, chat? How are you doing, Marco? I am I don't know. It feels like a truck hit me this morning, chat. I'm moving in slow motion. Yo, I love how there's next to no delay on stream now. Oh my god. This is so good, chat. This is so good. And host asked, is this a live trading stream? Yes, sir, it is. I'm gonna quickly get some noodles together. Let's go. You need more coffee? Chat. You know what, chat, you know those mornings you wake up and like it's just you didn't have a great sleep and I don't know, you just woke up extra tired. Though today's one of those mornings. I can feel my brain is like it's fuzzy. Greetings from Turkey. Much love, Sam. Thanks for hopping in with us on this Monday morning. Appreciate you. What's good, Jan? How we doing, bro? Good to see you in here. How was the weekend, man? How was the weekend, bro? Marco is back. Yes, sir. Kurt is back. All right, we're good. We're good. That's not good trading, brain. You ain't wrong. You ain't wrong. Morning from Morocco. Let's go, Red Rock. How we doing, brother? Greetings from Azerbaijan. Yo, chat, quickly, I'm just curious. Let's run a quick little... Where's everybody from in this world? Show me. I want to see. Don't spam it, but just, yeah, put what country you guys are all coming from. Romania, Germany, Nigeria, Texas. All good. The summer is 160 days away. Yes, sir, Jan. India, Bulgaria, Florida, Kenya, Chile, Toronto, Croatia, Singapore, Kenya. Wow. India, France, Mars. Okay, I'm jealous. I've never been there. Washington, Latvia, South Africa, Netherlands, Slovenia, Baltimore, South Africa. Damn, bro, we're international. We're international. Let's go. Mark, I'm from India. Your strategy is amazing. I only have one problem in entry time. You got to focus on that, bro. You got to focus on that. Venezuela. Yo, I'm curious. Any Venezuelan locals? Are they happy with what's going on in Venezuela right now? I'm not asking anybody, but actual Venezuelan locals. Are you guys happy with what's going on in Venezuela right now? What is your stance? I'm curious. I'm only curious on the locals, though. No one else, chat. Nepal. Marco is famous all over the world. I am not famous, chat, but a lot of beautiful faces joining us from around the world this morning. Much love, guys. Much love. Good day, Marco. Looking good, my man. Yo, much love, bro. I feel like a truck hit me this morning, chat, but much love, much love. All right. Well, what do we do on stream again? We go over charts, right? Okay, let's do that. Let's do that. Let's do that. So, chat, we got a brand new week in front of us. Brand new week. So you know what that means? We're gonna go through my whole list here. All right, we're gonna start off the new week with a whole kind of week forecast of what we believe could happen across the board. All right, so first, excuse me, we got NQ. Okay, something that we haven't really spoken about on the monthly in a bit is keep an eye on this still. Monthly low taken, monthly high intact. So October high, aka all-time highs, is possible still, chat. Is possible. Okay, that's one thing to point out. Hopping on the weekly, that monthly low taken is this right here. So that's that liquidity being taken, which is good. Now, the lower the time frame we go, the more confusing it gets, because this thing has not been delivering the cleanest of price actions. So, what can I see, chat? I can see fucking liquidity everywhere, bro. Highs intact, lows intact, more lows intact here. We got equals we left from Thursday and Friday. So, oof. We got a lot going on in NQ right now, chat. We have a lot going on in NQ right now. I will look at US 30 in a moment, guys. Don't worry. I got you. It's on my list. YM is US 30. So, with NQ right now, if I had to put my finger on what NQ would be doing, or if what I want to see it doing today, shorts. Does it need to short? No. I want it to short though, so I can take buy opportunities back up. Yeah, listen, we got stock open in 20 minutes. Okay. We have highs we could possibly run before seeing that sell off to the downside. We have engineered liquidity down here. Okay. I want to see the daily last week. Friday had, excuse me, yawning over here, chat. Friday had a big bullish candle up. Today we've immediately came all the way back down, left Friday's high intact, respected the high and sold off, right? This was through Asia. So yeah, let's see. But as of on NQ right now, chat, ain't nothing really to point out too much. I wish I had a clearer story for you, but I don't, so it is what it is. Q chart looks brutal. It does. It does not look, it's not in its best state. Last week was not clean, but hey, you never know what happens. So we got 1 second, chat. You know what we got to be doing as well? Lock in here. It's January. Look, let's get the news open. All right, so today's Monday, no news. Tomorrow we got good old CPI. So right now, as of today, chat, we are trading the day before CPI. All right, I don't know if I have to remind you guys or repeat myself, but hey, the day before big news events is usually no. But let's see. And then on Wednesday, we have PPI. So listen, we got CPI tomorrow, PPI on Wednesday, unemployment claims Thursday, and a dry Friday. So listen, we got a good week ahead of us. So tomorrow we got CPI together, because I'm going to be on tomorrow with you guys. Well, actually, I'll be on right after CPI, but we have CPI tomorrow, and then again on Thursday when I hop on, we have unemployment claims right before stream. So we have a volatile week ahead of us, I believe. I suggest you take a cup of coffee in wifey's mug. I don't got wifey's mug today. I just got a cup with a white mug with just an A on it. If you look at the new week opening gaps, I do not. So that's it. That's it on NQ right now. I do want to see what happens around stock open. We have these highs we can keep an eye on. Yeah, that's it so far, chat. Give me 1 moment. I just gotta blow my nose. I got a stuffy nose this morning. I don't know what's going on. 1 second, chat. sec, chat. Give me 30 seconds, not even. All right, chat, we back. All right. My bad. Okay. YM, for all you guys that are wanting to see US 30, here you are. Big bullish closure last week. Big bullish closure last week. So you have last week's high intact and last week's low intact still. Go on to the daily. Thursday, Friday, we moved bullish, respected the high, sold off. And now we have ran internal lows. Could see bullish move back up. I want you guys, for all you US 30 traders, look where we are right now. We are currently at all-time highs. So, yeah, step carefully. Focusing on this price action only. Yeah, price could probably move back up to the highs. However, I just understand from previous experience trading all-time highs for myself. I don't care what anybody tells me. I literally don't care. It's no good for me. So listen, YM's been on literally ever since we took out these highs and we were at here. This was yeah, around the holiday time, around Christmas, December 25th. I've been, no, actually I lied, sorry. Ever since we kind of ran here. So it's been weeks, chat, that I've had YM just on the back burner, and I'm waiting currently still. So, oh, and look at beautiful gold. Look at beautiful gold. Look at this asset. Gold is all-time highs, and you guys know the drill, just like YM. No bueno. The new YouTube videos are fire. Let's go, chat. We've got great feedback on our most recent videos. So much love to you guys. I appreciate you. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze. All right. So, YM all-time highs, gold all-time highs, guys. Chill out. Aussie, you Forex traders, here you are. So, I actually have something marked out on Aussie right now. I want to see price below the lows. Below these lows. Once price takes these lows, I'm a buyer. I'm a buyer below the lows. So, I'm waiting on this setup. And maybe we can get, I don't know when it's going to happen, but if we can get price below the lows over here, chat, I'm a buyer for sure. Euro, I wish I can give you guys a clean story on this thing, but this thing looks ass right now. I'm not a fan of Euro currently. This, the way it's been delivering price most recently at least has been hideous. Pound looks a lot cleaner. A lot cleaner. I don't know if we talked about this on stream last week. No, because this is on Friday. This was clean stuff, chat. Look at this. Look how we induce buyers. Trap them. Here's your liquidity from the left. And look at the accuracy, chat. We don't fuck around here. Look at this. Look at that. This was plotted on from last week, this line, by the way. You wait on that. Look at this. Boom. Runs it, and then you get that reaction higher. What's your Instagram handle? All my socials are in the link in the description below, chat. Uncle Marco, what's good? Falak, appreciate you for hopping in, brother. I'll see you soon, actually. Next month, bro. Feeling better doing back exercise? I am, Chad. I'm feeling a lot better. So last week was the first week where I got back in the gym. I went to the gym Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And I just gave myself a little day yesterday to chill. Now, this week, I'm going to start back up on my... I'm doing weights every single day, but I'm also going to be doing cardio again. So I'm going to throw in cardio sessions through this week, but I'm only going to be cross-training. So, elliptical, bike, and then the following week, so not this week, the following week, I'm going to introduce my running back. My running back into my schedule. So this week is going to be gym and cross-training. Next week will be gym and running again. But we got to build back up, so. But the body's feeling good. And we're kind of just, we're going with the flow, chat. We're going with the flow. And to be honest with you, chat, the rest of the Forex pairs, no bueno. UJ, nothing. GJ, nothing. EA, nothing. And German 40, all-time highs. Look at this thing. Ain't nothing stopping German 40 right now. Don't try and trade this. Alright, so that's my story right now, chat. That's my story. Marco, would you recommend running 5 times a week for a beginner? No. No, 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 no. No. Start off running like every other day. And then maybe like after like 3-4 runs of following that schedule, then give yourself like 2-3 days off to let your body recover. Then again, every other day. And as your body adjusts to every other day, then you can introduce maybe a back-to-back. So like Monday, Tuesday, break on Wednesday. And then you run Thursday and Friday maybe. Break on Saturday. Okay, so you have to build that tolerance up. You can't just run every single day or else you're going to hurt yourself. What's good, Matt? Appreciate you for hopping in, bro. Jan, can't wait to see you back in the running shoes. Bro, trust me. Trust me. But we're only 12 days into the year. So I feel like I've been missing out on so much time. But hey, you know what, man? I didn't run for 2.5 weeks in December. And I haven't ran for this year yet. But we'll get there. We'll get there. We're going to get fast as fuck this year, chat. We're going to get fast as fuck this year. Calisthenics are goated for longevity. I agree, CB. I agree. I built all my strength up from calisthenics, actually. All my strengths with calisthenics. I got to a point, chat. I don't know in here if you guys know much about calisthenics, but I got to a point where I could, my 1 rep max on a pull-up. So I do weighted pull-ups. And my 1 rep max was, I could put 120 pounds on my waist. 120 pounds on my waist would be my 1 rep max at my strongest point. May I ask you the reason why you just find Euro USD hideous, bro? Just the delivery, man. Look at this. This. Just literally looking at the last recent price action from the holidays. Yeah, I learned how to do muscle ups as well. I actually learned how to do weighted muscle ups too. If I had to put my finger on Euro, you gotta liquidate the lows here. and these highs. Just watch what price does above these highs, but maybe. Bro, this strategy is working on all Forex pairs. It most definitely works across all Forex pairs, so you're good. You are good, my brother. Chat, what's good with me, man? I feel like stuffed up this morning. Please analyze Bitcoin. Chat, I got you. Crypto. So we took these highs. You got equals down here. Highs taken here. We're getting a reaction. Yeah, probably could run for these lows. I feel like something like this could happen, chat. It's possible. That's possible. Alright, let's see what's going on NQ. Stock open in 6 minutes now. Thanks, sir. I think it is working for me now after 5 years of trying. Pray for me. Let's go, bro. Keep at it. Keep at it. Keep at it. Let's analyze soybean and cattle. Morning, Mark. I hope all is well with you. Let's go, Jonathan. Appreciate you, bro. All is well with me. Hope you're good. Hope you had a nice weekend. Hope you had a good weekend. Yeah, chat. So I'm gonna Forex wise for now, other than Aussie. Yeah. I'm a buyer below these lows. So if Aussie can get below those lows, awesome. If it doesn't, hey, it doesn't. Pound, I was a buyer at this low. Unfortunately, this happened in Asia last night. Look at this, how clean this is as well, chat. This is last week's low. Look at that. Last week's low spiked. Lows from the left taken. Right? Look at that. So this was last week's low right here. So this week we opened up last night. Unfortunately, it happened in Asia, so it is what it is. But spiked out the low, and we went bullish. So that's good to see. I'm not too sure where it's going to head to next. I will keep an eye on it for sure. We have built some sort of liquidity below this low. I want to get back into the gym so bad, but since I can't go for 5 weeks after my surgery in a month, I just don't see the point. I think it's still good to go. Boss, how is your health? I trust you're doing great. Are you bearish on gold? Henry, thanks for asking, bro. My health is good. I'm feeling better. Am I bearish on gold? No. Gold all-time highs, bro. I'm not in the business to catch tops. If it wants to sell off, awesome. I won't be involved in it, and I'll just be waiting. All right, look. There is lots of reason for price to move to the downside, so I'll just wait. I'll wait. You guys know me. Like, look at all these lows intact, chat. Yeah, but I'll just wait. If price can come down, show us a sell setup, a frame out a sell, I'll take a sell up here and target lows, lows, lows. But I don't care when we're trading at all-time highs up here. It's just I'm not interested in trying to catch that top. You'll accumulate a lot of losses that way. Stay away from it, bro. Stay away from it. Position yourself to trade the highest probable conditions. That's it. That's it. That's all. What are the two indicators you are using? I don't use any really. These are both hidden. This is not even on. But it's just, there was just a week and day separator. I don't even use it. And yeah, another one is just a personal indicator, but again, I don't use them. Excuse me. I'm in GU since 1.34 flat. So down here, Where can you put your TPs? So levels to target. Levels to target will be up here. Up there. And eventually up here, chat. Might seem crazy to you because this is 540 pips away, but this is a higher time frame target on pound. I need to put, chat, I need to put a sign on my forehead that says gold is at all-time highs here. I need to put a sign on my forehead that says gold is at all-time highs so everybody understands I am not looking at it. All right, we got stock open here in a minute, chat. So let's just stay on NQ and we'll wait to see what happens here. We took out some internal here and we are moving up. Maybe we run these highs. I don't know. But let's see. Jake, buy high, sell low, right? How often do you trade with Chart Fanatics? I am on Chart Fanatics Mondays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, bro. Can you recommend any books on liquidity? Oh, I have no idea. I really have no idea. Here we go. Much love, tutor. I'm really improving and never skipped a day of backtesting for 5 months straight. Let's go. Keep at it, bro. Check out US 30. Mohammed, I already checked out US 30. Euro USD heading to the upside. I don't like the way Euro USD is looking right now, so I'm not too sure, bro. I'm not too sure. I only am interested in Aussie, pound. Really, that's it as of now. I feel like, chat, tomorrow CPI, things should clear up after CPI. All right, so internal taken. We've grabbed these highs now, which we kind of anticipated here, chat. Let's see where this thing runs to. We have more internal to the left we could run for. All of these highs possibly. Does your system work on stocks? Yes. All right, we're getting a move on NQ right now to the upside. Again, internal highs to the left-hand side. Does it have to continue? Sorry, does it have to reverse and go sell? No. Can easily continue higher. Overall, chat, listen. I'm going to be a sad man if we run for all-time highs without giving me some sort of clean entry. Like, look at the delivery of this price that we've gotten for, honestly, since the new year. It's no good, man. So I'm hoping we get something before all-time highs are taken. So we'll have to wait and see. Here's a good timing confluence for you guys here. No buys were valid until 8 a.m. was spiked out. So look, 9 a.m. candle opened up, spiked out 8 a.m. and we've moved bullish. Something to point out. And there we go. Internal highs are taken on the left-hand side here, chat. My backtesting is fine, but live market is intense for me. Any help? That's completely normal. So the only way you're ever going to get better with live price action is either more backtesting to train your eyes, or just more exposure to live conditions. And yeah, that's literally it. I think it's completely normal for someone to feel like that, though. To jump from backtesting to live conditions is it's normal for you to struggle to find setups in live time. It's just because of a lack of experience. That's literally it. So you need to build that experience. Naturally, you will find more setups in live time with more experience on the charts. All right. Yeah, I was thinking more than just it can continue to the upside. Really can, chat. Gotta be careful here. If it does sell off as well, like it makes sense to me. The thing is, though, I understand that the sells in these conditions are just low probable. So if it wants to fly without us, fly without us. I guess it's fine. It's Monday though, chat. Listen, remember we got CPI tomorrow, so stock open gave me that push I needed for a TP. Let's go, Joe. Good shit, bro. Good stuff. There is an IFVG on the 4-hour. Yeah, I don't trade IFVGs, bro. NQ has a cluster of highs on the upside. Yeah, it does for sure. Chat, 1 second, bro. My nose is just, I can't even speak. Like, one sec, chat. My bad. Let's go. We're back. My bad, chat. Yo, Nuno, what's up, bro? Appreciate you for hopping in. Let's go. How are you, man? Anyone notice EU stopped moving? Like, what do you mean? Like, fully just stopped? What do you mean? You could see a intraday move on EU back up to the upside after this. Low's taken out. I'm not here to intraday trade Forex, to be honest. So, that's on you guys. You guys do your thing. Yo, like, I mean, like, it's this chart right now, bro, in front of us. is like just looking at this thing, Chad. Even if I took a trade somehow, bro, I would be like fucking biting my nails and shit. I would have a lack of confidence due to the conditions in front of us. Like this delivery of price would make me question where price is heading to the whole time. Like, God, and give me some lows cleared. Give me some highs cleared. I think the most ideal scenario, chat, is if we can come all the way down to this low I just marked out here and run that. You could see buys. At least frame some sort of buy. Because then we got lows taken, bro. Like, you got to think about this, chat, for a moment. Look at this. We've tapped into this area, right? Which tells me there's liquidity below it. And even this, look, price goes bearish, respects these lows. So we're just building. And for me to continuously trade with that buildup, it's just automatically a low probable condition. Not for me, man. Feeling good. How about you? I'm good, Nuno. I'm chilling, bro. I'm feeling better physically as well. My back, my my injury, it's recovering. So it's good, man. It's good. Marco, regarding my entry, I assume it doesn't fit you, to be honest. I took a long after 15-minute buyers got chopped on NQ and we came into the extreme wick. This was at London Open. Could you look at this? I can most definitely look at this. Let me see. London Open. Oh, so you're just saying down here. Yeah, no, I wouldn't. It's not wrong, bro. And the reason being is because this happened. So yes, you could most definitely take buys down here. That's fine. I'm just to be like quite honest, man. Like since last week, you guys have seen me on stream with NQ. Like we've looked at gold. We took a trade on gold last week, which is nice. But the rest of the week, I was like a broken record with NQ. And it's not just me. It's a lot of other people I know as well. But it's just, yeah, man. The delivery of price on NQ has been shit, to say the least. Ideally, I just want, again, I want to see lows taken out in order for me to participate in buys. I want to see highs taken out in order for me to participate in sells. Like, it's doing none of the sort right now. It's building at the lows. It's building at the highs. Yes, again, chat, we can always, with the benefit of hindsight, find entries and mark on entries with hindsight after it's played out. But to do it in live time and to do it with size, it's not easy. Glad to know. I can't wait to see those Strava runs back, bro. I'll be back on Strava soon enough, I promise you. This week I'll have the cross training logged. And then yeah, the running will come in next week, most likely. Thank you, man. Appreciate you looking. No worries, Joe. I got you, bro. I got you. Gold view. Gold's at all-time highs, chat. I am not trading gold at all-time highs. All right, let me see something here. This is probably going to be the next draw on NQ. 25,922. See how this gets delivered to us. We'll watch for maybe chat, we can sneak a continuation in. But I don't want to get too loose. Just an in and out maybe, I don't know. One sec, chat. All right. Hi, Marco. What are good steps for high probable condition? You align yourself with the higher time frames. You don't got big news events the next day. So tomorrow we have CPI. Automatically, any positions taken today, I don't care how clean they look on the charts to you. I don't care if it checks every single box. Automatically, you cannot consider a setup today A+. It's just ridiculous. But yeah, if I'm bullish on the higher time frames, ideally you want to be looking for buys on the lower time frames. Why would you want to trade against that? You don't have a big news event tomorrow. You want to see lows taken out if you're bullish. You want to see highs taken out if you're bearish. All these things will lead into a more high probable setup. I am late this morning. What a mess. Welcome in, Nathaniel. No worries, bro. You got lots of time still. It's only 9:44. What's good, World Info? How are you, bro? Guys, careful, all you Forex traders. Okay, trading NQ today is one thing because I know how it moves. It'll move a lot the day before big news events as well. But trading Forex pairs such as Aussie, such as Euro, Pound, UJ, these assets, guys, the day before CPI, you're, yeah, man, risky business, bro. Look, we got CPI tomorrow. A major news event for the dollar. Major. Okay? Do not expect your pairs like Aussie, Euro, Pound to move a lot the day before. Especially in New York the day before. Spike on YM below the lows. Is that? It's a 4-hour low taken out, and we're getting a reaction higher. Look at those candles, bro. Stock open candle. Running the lows. And then big reaction up. Running for these highs. Can you tell us about Euro GBP? I don't even look at the pair, my bro, but I can peek at it for you. I can peek at it for you and see if it looks like anything. Yeah, it looks like we're slowly but surely gonna run for these lows. Today, just spike out Thursday's high. You're in the imbalance. We're getting a reaction to the downside. Yeah, looks like you're going to see continuations on Euro GBP to the downside, bro. EG to the downside. That's my bet. You got multiple targets. Low and low. That's what I would say for you. Why do indices have high volatility during stock open? That's literally when the New York Stock Exchange opens up, 9:30 a.m., right? So the bell goes off. All stocks are going crazy right now. Well, not crazy, but all stocks open up. So people are actively trading the stock market. A lot of volume, a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers. And that's why you have a direct... these are all stock indexes, right? NASDAQ, YM, Dow Jones. And then, of course, you have S&P. So they have a direct correlation to the stock market. So that's why you see a lot of volume come into the market at stock open, of course. Hey, Marco, I'm working on understanding your system, but I'm having a bit of trouble getting my trade entries right. Any advice? Keep at it, bro. Keep at it. It's normal to be a little bit lost to something new. Completely normal. You have to study more. You have to apply more. Put more time and effort in. How do you deal with the losing stage? I mean, I wish there was just an easy, direct answer to that, but you got to grind through those shit times in order to see the good times. Especially in trading, man. There's no such thing as just sunshine and rainbows in trading. It's impossible. I wish it was. Actually, I don't even want to say I wish it wasn't a thing, but the more you fail, the more you grow. Can you check UJ? UJ looks really ugly to me right now, bro, so I wouldn't be trading it. We're getting a little bit of a reaction to the upside right now, Chad, on NQ. What is the maximum amount you make in a single trade? I don't have a maximum amount I make in a single trade. I have certain risk figures I stick to, and I let the chart dictate how much money I'm gonna make. Hey Marco, thank you for your latest video on gold, man. Awesome video, lots of good content. I appreciate it. Let's go, Jonathan. Much love, bro. Yeah, like I said, Chad, we had a lot of good feedback on the most recent YouTube videos. So, yeah, I definitely recommend, if you guys haven't watched it yet, to go give it a watch. Lots of people enjoyed it, so it's good. It's good to see good feedback, because that means we're making content you guys enjoy. We're making content you guys are finding value in. So it's good to see. Hey Marco, how to approach a prop firm challenge? Which pair should we go in challenge phase for passing the evaluation? Which pair? Whatever pairs you trade, bro. Whatever pairs you trade. I don't think there's a good pair for evaluation and a good pair for funded. It's yeah. However you trade your funded account should be how you trade an evaluation. German 40 all-time highs, not trading it. All right, here's that continuation we talked about in NQ. Highs are taken out. Look at this hourly candle right now, chat. Look at this thing. Look at the 9 a.m. candle right now. Look at the 30-minute candle. Crazy stuff, bro. All right, but yeah, highs are taken out here, chat. So at the least, as of right now, I would need price below this low. It's very simple. When was the last time you altered your edge? And if not, when did you finalize this specific edge? I feel like an edge is never really finalized. I'm always like, for example, I'm always fine tweaking my edge, my plan from like a, for example, like a profit taking perspective. I lately ended the year last year, I've been reducing the amount of partials I've been taking, especially in futures. So yes, I can have multiple targets, but I will partial very little at the early targets, and I've been holding more volume. So I feel like you should always be refining your edge a bit here and there. The foundation of how you trade, your system as a whole, of course, you don't want to be changing your strategy. You can refine it here and there to accommodate for specific market conditions. But I feel like changing the strategy as a whole is not a good thing, because you're just going to be going around in circles. Of course, like you guys can see, I haven't changed how I trade. Sure, I can maybe refine things here and there, maybe tweak an entry of some sort. Maybe that's a timing variable, a risk variable, and then of course you have your trade management, right? So how you take partials, how you pay yourself. These are all things you can change as you grow as a trader as well, because the trader I was last year probably couldn't hold the volume I can hold this year, right? But if you don't accommodate for that level of growth in your trading, and you don't change these things as you grow, then you're only going to limit yourself, right? So I feel like refining your edge on the go is important. My 2 cents at least. I could be wrong, but that's just how I see things, bro. That's just how I see things. After taking partials, you always BE. It depends on the chart, bro. I will never just force a BE just to BE it and take the risk off, because it's ridiculous in my opinion. But it always depends on the chart. The chart will tell me when to manage my risk. If the chart shows me, okay, it doesn't make sense for price to go back to my entry point, then I'll just BE it. That's fine. But if I still see, okay, price can pull back, possibly tag my entry area, then continue in my intended direction, I will not BE it. Because then you're adding another variable to the equation. And in trading, I preach about this all the time. Less is more, man. Less is more. Which percentage do I risk on my first trade on a prop firm? 1% or 0.5%? It's completely up to you. It really is, man. Everybody's different. I'll always recommend newer traders to trade lower risk in evaluations. Prove to yourself that you can be consistent. Don't just up the risk and full send it and pass evaluations by luck. You're doing yourself a disservice long term. All right. You guys, can I check Euro USD? This is all I got on Euro USD right now, bro. Ain't nothing too interesting for me. Ain't nothing too interesting to me. YM's continuing higher. NQ most likely will as well. We have 15-minute low here. At the open of the next 4-hour candle. So this is what 4 hours looking like right now. It's possible that we can see continuations higher, chat. Let's see what the 4 hour does. If the 4 hour gives us a little bit of a sell-off, maybe we spike below 15-minute low. Maybe we can frame a continuation out. However, if the 4 hour candle just opens up, bro, and we just continue flying, then the ship has sailed. The ship has sailed. If we are going to continue bullish for the day, chat, this is a target. So Wednesday, January 7th high. Samir is spitting facts, chat. Listen up. The market doesn't pay you for being right. It pays you for being disciplined. Correct. I agree. I've been following Russell. Do like a sell? What do you mean, Nino? Does anybody in chat trade crypto? Yeah, there's a lot of crypto traders in here, bro. There's a lot of crypto traders. You can be very disciplined and enter dumb trades. Yeah, for sure. I feel like in order to be a trader, you need to have kind of an understanding of it all, right? So yes, you need to be disciplined. You need to learn how to trade conditions that favor your system specifically, right? You don't want to just stay patient, then just take a trade off your plan, right? You were disciplined for 90% of the time, then all of a sudden you just took a trade to take a trade. Doesn't make sense, right? So yeah, you need to learn how to be disciplined, stay patient until those setups come along. And yeah, you need to learn how to trade your system and your system only. And if that means waiting through a week's worth of price action or a couple days worth of price action, then so be it. What has been the hardest thing for you to learn technical wise that you can now explain with ease? Ooh, Gabriel. What has been the hardest thing for you to learn technicals wise that you can now explain with ease? I feel like, I don't know, man. That's a really good question. Maybe just the topic of liquidity as a whole, because in order for me to explain things in the easiest possible manner, because it's one thing for me to show you guys how I trade, but you have to understand that I'm showing you guys how I trade in a way where it's easy to digest, it's easy to understand, right? Because I could show you how I trade, yeah, that's one thing, but being able to show you how I trade in a way where it's easy to consume and easy to understand is a whole other thing. So I think that's my best answer, and that just comes down through experience and from me trading this system and this strategy for a long period of time. But that's a fucking money question, bro. It's a hard one to. By the way, chat, I don't think I've seen Wifey type in chat once today. Do you think she likes us? I don't think Wifey is in stream today, man.
Nope.
She's not in stream.
Nope.
I only aim for 200 pips every day. Listen, my bro, if you are catching 200 pips every single day, that's your aim. In my humble opinion, maybe tuck the goal a little bit lower. 200 pips is that's a lot of pips, my man. She was here earlier. I don't see her in here now, chat. Does she still like us? How did you settle on your trading model? It just makes the most sense to me. All right, chat. So we got a new 4-hour candle here. So how can we frame this out? I'm thinking the new 4-hour candle comes down, prints some sort of low, and then maybe we start getting that continuation higher. Okay, and we can try and catch that 4-hour wick before the continuation occurs. All right. Just based off the price action in front of us right now, I think if that occurs, it will not even occur until 10:30, past 10:30. So we got maybe 30 minutes to wait here, because what I'll want to see ideally is this candle right now from 10 to 10:30, print a low, and then 10:30 opens up, we spike the low, and then maybe that's the 4-hour wick, and boom. Okay. And then from a liquidity perspective, boom, highs to target. So a couple things to wait for. It'd be ideal to see price below 25,834 as well. All right, so some things to wait on right now. We'll have to wait and see, chat. For all the new guys in here, or even all the casuals, the people that have been here for a while. We got giveaways to do today as well, so wait around for that. We're gonna be running some giveaways in a short bit. The usual over here. Always running giveaways for the CF family. My mentor told me yesterday, a mentor shows you the path, walking it is on you. I agree. I think that's like everything in life, right? Experience is incredibly important. Wifey is not qualifying for the giveaway. Dude, I don't see Wifey in chat, so I don't think she's gonna be in giveaway. Marco, I'm in a short on Nasdaq. It does not make sense to me, bro. So, but hey, if it makes sense to you, so be it, bro. So be it. I agree, Marco. You explain the way you trade in ease words, but to trade and backtest is on my own is much harder. You have a great attitude to teach and explain things. Much love, Dan. Good morning, boss Marco. Greetings from Sicily. May God bless you and your wife. Much love, man. Appreciate you. Chat, you guys are just... You're too kind to me sometimes, man. I do appreciate every single one of you coming and hanging out with me on this little fine Monday morning. Slow Monday morning, but still a fine Monday morning. We got a fresh week in front of us. So chat, what you guys need to focus on, use this as a new opportunity to follow your plan, to start fresh in a sense where be as professional as possible, man. Think about trading from a long-term perspective. Don't let one day of results define you as a trader, right? New week in front of you, new opportunities in front of you. Take advantage of these times. So if you have a system, if you have a plan, tell yourself, let's follow this from Monday to Friday. Let's not deviate from the plan. Let's not fall off and break rules. Okay? New week, new opportunities, chat. Come on. Marco, you're the calmest trader I've ever seen. I'm glad to have you as my mentor. Much love, bro. I really appreciate the teachings that I received from you. God bless. Let's go, chat. Damn, everybody is showing a lot of love, man. Appreciate you guys. Marco, what you trade intraday after all indices at all-time highs? Gold. These are my only, and you guys know this actually, from when indices were at all-time highs for like weeks back in October, November. I only trade NQ, YM, and gold. That's it. And there was a time NQ, YM, and gold were all at all-time highs. That's why I added Forex back into my portfolio. And that's why you guys see me trading Forex again. Do you think that your strategy can be automated? I feel like it can be automated, but if you want to see the strategy perform to its highest level, there needs to be a level of discretion involved. And that level of discretion will come via experience. The more experience you have with the system and the strategy, the better the discretion gets, the better the understanding gets, and then you have a better level of understanding when and where to take trades, right? The specific conditions to take trades. And again, this only comes through experience on the charts, bro. That's literally it. So to answer your question in short form, yes, you could automate this trading style into a bot of something of some sort. But in order for you to yield the best results from this system, there needs to be a level of discretion involved for sure. Why isn't 25,843 a mark? 843? 843. Like here? I just grabbed the lows down here, bro. Learn and apply, no shortcuts. Listen, man, if everybody understood that, I feel like this trading space would be much different. But people don't understand that. I see newcomers, I see new traders come into this game a lot, man, and they show up for 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. Shit gets hard and they run. And they run. You want to see benefits from trading, bro? You have to put time, effort. You got to grind through the hard times in order to see the good times. It's just, I truly believe, chat, I truly believe if you don't love this game, if you don't love trading, you won't see results from trading. You won't. Because like I've seen countless people just I've talked to a lot of new traders, man. Like I have like through my socials, through Chart Fanatics. I've spoken to a lot of new traders, man, and like I'm telling you right now, there is so like a big mistake is people come into this game expecting immediate results and then being let down when they get hit with loss after loss after loss for months, and then they just run away, man. They just give up. And I think it comes down to some people are built for this game and some people aren't, right? If you don't love this shit, then you won't see the results from this game. Trading is the hardest way to make a lot of easy money. Yeah, I feel like I've heard that quote in the past. It's definitely true. It's the hardest easy money to make. Because bro, if I could, I wish honestly I journaled all of my shit times through trading, like the times where I was just like, I'd finish a trading day and I'd be fucking looking at my chart and I'd just be like, dude, like this shit is so fucking hard. Like, when is it gonna make sense? When am I gonna start making money? When am I gonna see results? I wish I journaled, and I wish I had actually video footage of all the hard times in my journey. Truly. Because I could look back and be like, holy shit, man. Like, because in those moments, bro, and I know all of you guys can relate to this, in those moments of hardship, of when like you're just taking loss after loss, or you're on a losing streak, you're not seeing results, and you're sitting there, you're like, when is this ever going to work? Like, I'm showing up every single day, I'm putting work in, but still not seeing results. I've been there, bro. I know that feeling. It fucking sucks. It sucks. But hey, if you're not willing to push through those hard times, you will not see the good times. And I remember, chat, there was this 1 month in my trading journey, and people have spoke about this a lot, actually, even in their own journeys. But all it takes is 1 month to wipe out all of your losses from years and years and years. One of my biggest months ever from trading, I made 30 grand. I'll tell you guys, I made 30,000. And that wiped away all of the money I spent on education, the money I spent on, because I got scammed left, right, and center through my early journey, through programs and shit I invested into, thinking it would help me. It did not. It was a scam. I wasted a lot of money. All of that got wiped out in 1 month. 1 month. Now, would I have saw that month if I didn't grind through the shit times? Hell no. Hell no. So, when that happens, and it can happen to each and every single one of you in here, when that happens, you'll be like, holy shit, thank God. Thank God I grinded through those shit times, bro. Because then it makes it feel worth it, man. Dude, like I said, though, I really wish I videotaped all the times, bro, I was staring at my computer, fucking just, I wasn't crying, but man, I felt like crying. I felt like crying. Would love to see you on Words of Wisdom one day, man. One day. Bro, I've spoke about this on stream before too. A long-term goal of mine. I'm only 29 years old, but a long-term, I can't speak. Long-term goal of mine. Is to like somehow get in like the market, be a part of Market Wizards. That would be mental. I am like that. Yeah, I've thought about before that in the past. Maybe a decade later that could be possible. We'll see, but that could be a long-term goal of mine. Would be being involved in Market Wizards. That'd be incredible. What I find surprising is people spend years working at a job they sucked at when they started, but they will quit trading before they become good. Yeah, like you got to think about like this as well. This is a good perspective. A good analogy is you go to school. A lot of people go to university, they go to college, and they study for 3-4 years, right? Before even seeing a dollar, they study for 3-4 years. And yeah, you're in school for 3-4 years. You study before you even get into the job world of making money. You have to study for 3-4 years. So why not have that perspective on trading? Why not be willing to study for 3-4 years? I would love to meet you, bro, if I got the chance. Chat, there's many events going on in the future. Not even just our events. I know there's an event coming up in Miami. I'll be there with Alpha Futures. There is an event. I think there's like an event in Dubai next month. So yeah, there's a lot of events coming up. But I really, yeah, I mean, we'll see what we're going to do with the Chart Fanatics gang. Hopefully in the future we can run some sort of meetup with the Chart Fanatics family. That would be dope. You're my only mentor, Marco, no matter what. Let's go, JP. Marco, where are the sounds? The sounds are right here, bro. They didn't go anywhere. The sounds are right here. Any trades today? No. No, sir. No trades today yet. A Europe trip. Sorry, Samir. I didn't see your... And this goes for everybody, chat. Sorry, if I miss your message, don't spam it. But yeah, you can send it back in. It's hard for me to get to every single message sometimes. I'm sorry if I miss your comments. I'm not ignoring comments, chat. I always say this. I'm not ignoring. But I'm looking at the charts. I'm responding messages. I'm talking about trading. I'm talking about stories, giving advice. It's hard to catch every single comment. I do try my best. I promise. Samir says, what would you improve in your journey? You know what, man? It's hard for me to look back and say, what would I improve? Because I feel like all the failures I had, all the shit times I went through shaped me to be the person and trader I am today. It's hard because I did not know anybody whatsoever involved in trading when I got into trading. So I went through a lot of bullshit in the early journey of buying things I shouldn't have bought, of looking up to people that I thought were actual traders but were just full-blown scammers. It's shit, man, but also I feel like it's necessary to go through those shit times because, again, it shaped me to be the person, the trader I am today. So, yeah, I mean, no one's trading journey is just this, right? Never just this. It's going to be highs and lows, highs and lows, highs and lows. When you feel like you've made it, the market will humble you. You're going to go back down, trust me. And then, boom, you find that low point, you grind through it, boom, back up to the upside you go. Okay, and you're feeling good, life's good, you're making profits, payouts are coming, boom, you go through a losing period. That's the trading journey, man. It's never just going to be parabolically up. Doesn't work like that. You're going to have highs and lows, highs and lows. If you're not willing to see the lows, you don't deserve to see the highs. Remember that one. If you had to start all over again, but you keep what you learned on the way, how would you start? You know what? It's funny because I made a new YouTube video. It's coming out soon about like kind of like a roadmap on how to become profitable in 2026. So stay tuned for that. That'll probably answer your question. I tell you guys how to efficiently go through your trading journey and kind of avoid all the BS. What's good? Been watching your videos. So hard to spot liquidity. I am only 5 months into trading. I can relate to what to talk about beginners on the journey. If you're only 5 months into your journey, bro, keep at it. Keep at it. That was a bar. Jay-Zoo, you know how it is, bro. Talk about the scammers and how to watch out for them. Listen, chat, I'm not gonna, this platform on Chart Fanatics, we're not here to hate on other people in the industry. It's just a waste of time. It's a waste of breath, a waste of energy. All I'll say is you guys have the access. You have access to Chart Fanatics, the YouTube channel where you have countless incredible strategies. And they're all verified, man. It's literally, all the hard work is done for you. Use Chart Fanatics to your advantage. So go on the YouTube channel. I've talked about this plenty of times in the past. Go on the YouTube channel. Watch videos on Chart Fanatics, okay? Find a strategy, find a system that resonates with you. You watch and you're like, wow, you know what? That was very interesting. I love the way this guy trades. Boom. Study it. Watch the video over. 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Maybe follow him on socials. Okay, maybe he puts educational content out so it can help you learn even more, even quicker, even faster. Chart Fanatics has done the hard work for you. There's working systems, there's profitable systems already given to you, okay, for free, literally for free. So again, follow these individuals on their social media platforms. See if they put more educational content, YouTube videos. Maybe they have other free platforms they put content out on. Study it, apply it, put that work in, man. Put your head down and just study for 6 months. I promise you, guys, I feel like the people that come to me and find the most results are the people that just study, put their head down, and just work their absolute ass off for months and months and months. They go ghost, and then they come back six months later, boom, savage. They pass 3 challenges. They have funded accounts. They even got a payout because they put their head down and they work their absolute ass off for months. By the way, love from Pakistan. Much love, bro. Also, the Words of Wisdom channel is a banger. Chat, that's another thing, man. Listen, everybody comes in here. They all ask me, oh, what books do I recommend? Honestly, chat, you don't even need to read books, bro. You have the Words of Wisdom podcast is literally a gold mine for psychology. Riz is literally interviewing the best traders in the world. Think about that. It's people that you should look up to. People that you should aim to be like. And he interviews them, asks them questions about how they did it from A to Z. Study the shit out of those podcasts because that's the mindset you need in order to be profitable, man. These people are pouring out value. Pouring out value. Bro, it's really frustrating when you have to learn from your test in university, but actually want to study your trading strat. You got to do both, man. Study in school, do your work, and then study some trading later on. People, listen. I hate the excuse of I don't have time. I've had people come to me for even fitness advice, man. I'm not no fitness guru. I've gotten myself fit, so I have a decent understanding of health and fitness. And people come to me and be like, man, but how did you do it? And I just say, I do this, I do that. And then they go, oh, but I don't have time. Bullshit, bro. Go to bed an hour earlier and wake up an hour earlier. Boom. You found yourself an hour in the day to go work out. That's it. Go to bed 1 hour earlier and wake up 1 hour earlier. Boom. There's your 1 hour to work out. Done. Yo, this is the comment of the day right here. How are you wise and bald at the same time? Yo, Ports lover, bro. That's a great question. That's a great question. I don't know why I haven't seen wifey in chat. Yeah, this is weird. Guys, I haven't seen her comment, man. Honestly, is she planning to divorce me? What's going on here? But bro, I got to doom scroll for hours. Come on. Yo, Joe, lock in, bro. Come on. No doom scrolling, man. Yo, I don't think you guys understand, chat. I am going to go oh my God, wifey's in chat. Let's go. She is not going to divorce me. I am going to go ridiculously hard in 2026. Okay? Here, you know what, chat? I'm talking about trading, just my work life, and then health and fitness. You guys don't understand. Listen to me for a second here. Listen to me for a second. Okay? Let's go through something here for a moment. Let's see. Change this to all. And we'll go. All right, chat. So look. Last year, this is my fitness app. 431 hours spent training, weights, running, and cross training. 431 hours. So I averaged over, I don't know, how do you even do the calculation on that? 430. Second, I got this. I think I know how to do this. So I spent 1.2 hours every day training. That's the average. And I'm going to go even harder this year, bro. I want to go savage. Health and fitness wise, my trading, I want to level up tremendously this year. Business wise, my daily screen time limit on TikTok is currently at 15 minutes. I don't even have TikTok. Marco getting that milli payout trust. Yo, listen, that's another thing, is another goal this year. Maybe down the line, a couple months into the year, maybe even the summertime, I'm not sure, would be to start up an Apex run. He is bald because he is wise. That's a bar. That's a bar. Listen, chat. I know people are asking me questions about NQ right now, but listen, let's look at this for a moment here. Can you imagine you are in a trade right now in NQ and you're looking at this? Look at this thing right now, bro. I even told you guys at 10 o'clock, I'm probably not interested in taking a single entry on this thing until 10:30. Let's see how the 30-minute closes up, and like look at the price action. Look here, you know what? Let's zoom into, this is the price action we've had in the last 30-40 minutes. If someone types in chat right now, where do you think NQ is going? I'm gonna headbutt the wall. Look at this, bro. Who would know where this thing is going when the candles look like a heart rate monitor at the hospital? Oh my God, Jan, don't talk to me about this weekend was incredible for running. Yes, Andreas Almgren, bro. One of my favorite runners. I've been watching him for a minute now. I've been tracking Andreas since he started blowing up and since he started smashing these records. He's an absolute savage runner. The 10K European record went down yesterday. 26 minutes and 26:44, I believe. Bro, I don't think people understand how ridiculous that is. Bro needed more space to his brain, so he pushed out the hairs to make space. Yo, Mads knows the deal. Is there any giveaways? Yes, sir. We're running giveaways in a short bit. Don't worry, Chad. I got you. Come on, man. I got you. You think you're going to come to this stream and think I don't got you? Yeah, please do those Apex challenge. We'd love to see how you adjust your strategy to intraday trailing drawdown. God damn, bro. It's Monday morning, clearly. I got you. Hopefully this year I'm gonna plan to do a little Apex run. We'll see. Live on stream would be fun. Is there an easy way to calculate how many contracts you need to... No, not an easy way. You just have to literally just calculate the movement. So, like, let's just say, I don't know. Let's just say you want to enter a buy here. And your stop loss wants to go below this low. Simply mark out. So here would be 40 points. Okay, it'd be 40 point stop loss, which means... if you threw one contract on this, it's $800. 40 points is $800 risk. One contract. So you just need to learn how to read ticks and points. That's it. And calculate your risk per that. That's literally it. That's it. That's all, my bro. Just learn how to calculate your risk. Do you plan on having more people on your team? Yeah, I mean, I already kind of got them on my team. Abid, Elijah, Adam, all savages on the charts. Brothers. Let's like the stream before the giveaway. Yo, chat, 1 second here. Let's have a moment. Let's talk to each other. Okay, so basically, you will have to do me a favor, and in order for you to be entered into today's giveaway, you have to like the stream. If you don't like the stream, you will not be entered in today's giveaway. I'm sorry, man. It's not my rules, bro. It's not my rules. Sorry. Use exclamation mark wife as entrance to giveaway. Funny guy. Done. Like the stream. W. Let's go. Love you, chat. Love you. Bro, how's Abid? Abid is good. Will IE ever consider hiring a developer for an app? If so, I'm interested. Have to keep you in mind, Matt. Keep you in mind, Mads. Have to keep you in mind. Just like the stream. Much love, guys. Here, you know what? Let's get the word on what today's giveaway is. 1 second. Let's talk to Mr. Anthony. Listen, Anthony's the boss, chat. So you know what it is, bro? If I message him right now, chat, and he says, shut up, no giveaway today, I'm shutting up, bro. I'm like, no giveaway, man. So he is the boss. So let's ask him. What is the giveaway for? Oh, okay, chat. Okay, we got a problem. Anthony just said you suck. I don't know if that means we don't have a giveaway. We might not have a giveaway. Listen, Anthony's the boss man. Oh my god, okay, never mind. Never mind. He's allowing us to run a giveaway today, chat. He's allowing us to run a giveaway. So, because Anthony allowed us, today we are going to be giving away, okay, Apex account, Alpha Calp, yo. I finished the coffee cup too, and I'm still half asleep, chat. Let's try this again. Apex account, Alpha Capital, 3-month Tradezilla. I mean, that's pretty good. That's pretty good, man. On a Monday morning, lock in. And then I see you guys again tomorrow, chat. Lock in. We're going to be together again tomorrow. We love it. However, tomorrow is CPI. So, if any of you guys plan on taking trades in London or before CPI, don't do it. You'll blow your account. Struggling to speak today, boss? Yo, for real, man. Like I said, I feel like it's because I woke up and a truck hit me this morning. Yo, motive and info. You asked me that about 83 times. The two indicators that are loaded onto my chart, I don't use them. I don't use them. I'm live every Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Yes, sir, my bro. Yes, sir. Yo, Joe, trust me. I don't got no secret sauce on my chart, chat. I'm sorry to break your guys' hearts. But yeah. Damn. Alright. You know what, man? Listen. This Monday morning has been a slow one. Clearly. Let's run the giveaway, and maybe we can see what's happening on the charts after the giveaway. Alright. Let's run some giveaways, chat. All right. I'm going to hold the phone 1 second. And we're gonna write on the. I'm gonna write a word on my screen, chat. Okay. And this word. Okay. Let me tell Anthony what it's gonna be. Okay. Lock in, chat. Lock in. Okay, we're going to be running giveaways. Okay. The word for today's giveaway, to enter into today's giveaway, is going to be exclamation mark wifey. Exclamation mark wifey in chat. Lock in. Boom. Here we go. Remember, type it once. If you type it more than once, look at me right now. If you type the word more than once, you're going to get timed out. Okay? And as you guys have seen in the past, you will not win the giveaway. So, type the word once, chat. You will be entered in. Okay? And you'll see your name. And then cross your fingers. Okay? Because this is a game of luck. Unless I rig it. So if you want, I can rig it, man. Just PayPal me $20. No, I'm chill, bro. Chill. All right, I'm gonna give you guys 30 more seconds to enter into today's giveaway. Again, Apex account, Alpha Capital account, 3 months Tradezilla. exclamation mark wifey in chat. Type it once. You type it more than once, you will get timed out. And I will not feel bad if you don't win the giveaway. I don't care. Because I've told you guys about a million times now that if you type the word more than once, you will be disqualified and timed out. And then you will not be able to receive your giveaway. Thanks for the account. So happy to win this giveaway. I got you, Joe. I'll be checking the PayPal. All right, chat. All right. We're going to shut her down. Okay. I gave everybody time to enter. Let me get the Wheel of Fortune ready on my side over here, chat. And by the way, guys, listen, if wifey wins, bro, it's not my fault, man. If wifey wins, it's not my fault. All right, no more entries, chat. No more entries. I just spammed it in chat for you guys that don't understand. No more entries. Hannah got insider trading info. For real. All right, listen. Let me wait for Mr. Anthony to organize the giveaway for us, chat. 1 second. Hold the phone. Give me a moment. Give me a moment here. Give me a moment. All right. All right, I got the list, I believe. Here we go. 1 second. All right. Here we go. I think we got, oh my god, we have a lot of second. All right. Let's get this wheel over here. All right, lock in, chat. Here we go. Here we go. So today, again, we are going to be giving away, okay? We are going to be giving away Apex account, Alpha Capital account, 3-month Tradezilla. Okay? Hello, can't even go toilet, man. Miss giveaway. Yo, Tony, did you here? You know what? Just because I'm gonna be a really nice person. I got you, Tony. Tony Montana. Okay. Boom. I got you. Okay. Now, all entries are in. Done. I just helped out the boy Tony because the man was taking a shit. Okay. And I understand sometimes you just have to go take a shit. All right. All right. Listen. First account is going to be for an Apex account. All right. Free Apex account. The winner is going to be, lock in, chat. Here we go. Lock in. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Salman Saley. W. Congratulations. Show me life in chat. Is it me? I mean, Tony's mindset. Is your name Salman Sally? I don't think so. Salman Sally, I don't see you in chat. I'm going to give you another 10 seconds here. If you do not claim, oh, you are here. Perfect. Let's go. W. Good. Congratulations, Salman. Salman. Won yourself a free Apex account. Next account, chat, is going to be for Alpha Capital. Free Alpha Capital account. W. Let's go, bro. The winner is going to be... Boom. Go Harali. Go Harali 5185, bro. I just butchered the shit out of that name. I'm sorry. Go Harali? Are you in here? You just spelled Joe FX wrong? My bad. Sorry, Joe. You're here. W. Let's go, bro. Oh, wait. You're always typing in chat. I remember your name. Congratulations, man. Alpha Capital account goes to you. W, congrats. All right, guys, listen, lock in. The last giveaway for today, okay? It's a banger. 3-month Tradezilla, okay? By the way, if you guys don't use Tradezilla, what are you doing? What are you doing? Tradezilla is the world's greatest trading tool out there for the newer trader, the advanced trader, the professional trader. Logs all of your data automatically, has full-blown automation integrated into it. So you take a trade on your account, boom, already in Tradezilla, done. If you guys want to backtest, don't worry. Tradezilla, you can do that as well. Code CF at checkout, you save money. Okay? Now, wait a second. Do I see trades with Adam in here? I see you, bro. Where are you, trades with Adam? That's brother Adam. Brother Adam has entered into the giveaway. Listen, bro, if he wins, bro, it's not my fault. All right, here we go, chat. Lock in. 3-month Tradezilla. The winner. Sneaky win. Let's see, Adam. I rigged it. Trades with Adam. Wins. Wait, just kidding. Here we go. Chris McDaniels. Congratulations. Let's go, bro. Chris McDaniel, congratulations. You won yourself 3-month Tradezilla subscription for free. Yeah, you guys are lucky to have brother Marco showing you all the way. Big W. Much love, Adam. Appreciate you for hopping in, bro. Chris McDaniel, where are you at, my bro? Congrats to all the winners. Much love, Tiger. See, yo, guys, chat, this is all about good vibes, man. Even though you don't win the giveaway, man, you're still showing love in chat. That's W right there. That's W. And listen, the more love I see in chat, and not only me, but the more love Anthony sees in chat, you know what that means? He's going to allow us to give away more things. So, who knows? Maybe tomorrow, he gives us $1,000 to give away out of his own bank account. It's just an idea. Maybe he gives us $1,000 to give away. I don't know. That would be pretty cool. That would be pretty cool. All right. Chris McDaniels, have you not claimed your giveaway though, my bro? Where are you at? Chris McDaniel? I don't see him. All right, you know what, bro? We've given him plenty of time. Respin. Respin. Oh my God, he just showed up. You're lucky, Chris. You lucky man. You lucky guy. Congratulations, Chris. You have won yourself 3-month Tradezilla subscription. Haha, Marco's signing off Anthony's bank account. Chat, listen. It's just an idea. Let's see. What's NQ do? Oh, NQ's stuck, bro. Okay, you know what, chat? Listen. We're going to sign off for the day. All right, we're going to sign off for the day. Clearly, the charts are in a rangey period, a consolidating period, which is to be expected. To be expected, man. We got CPI tomorrow. So listen, this is the drill. Listen to me. Listen to me. CPI tomorrow, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So CPI drops. 30 minutes later, I'm on stream with you guys. Now, if I hop on stream and then I see a lot of comments saying, "Hello, sir, Marco. I just blew my account." Hello there, Marco. My account's gone. I don't know what happened. Guess what? Guess what? I am not going to feel bad for you. All right? I'm not going to feel bad for you because I've told you guys about 349,863 times. If you guys are looking to trade big news events like NFP, CPI, and FOMC, do not expect to become profitable. Okay? And that's all I have to say to you guys for today. All right? So listen, you guys know the drill. Trade safe, be safe. Love you guys so much. I'm going to see you guys back on stream tomorrow. Don't worry. I'm back here. Just don't stress. I'll see you guys back on stream tomorrow. 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Love you guys. Stay safe. We'll talk tomorrow. All the best. Ciao.